Yo, what's up Hemifam family? Welcome back to my channel, Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome, exciting video for you guys. In today's video, I ordered some new vinyl and decided to wrap the car in my own garage. So this is basically gonna be part one of this whole series. And this is the satin energetic yellow, so it looks amazing on the car, guys. I said, you know what, F it, I'm just gonna order some vinyl, lay it in my garage, and that's what we did. A huge shout out to Edgar and Charnay from G-Spot Auto Works for coming down to help me do the bumpers. But the car is done, and I'm gonna go through a little series of me installing the wrap and showing you guys how I did it at home, all those fun things. And the car looks amazing. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have already seen the car already. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. That way you do not miss all the awesome videos we have in store for you. If you aren't a subscriber, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss all the future videos that we have in store for you, and the whole wrapping your car at home series. And just let me throw this out here, guys. I hope everyone is staying home, staying safe, amidst what is going on pretty much worldwide. It sucks. I'm tired of being at home. Everything's closed, but it is what it is. Just trying to keep my family and my kids safe. But let's go ahead and jump off into today's video. Like I said, we have the vinyl. It is in, the car is done, and we're gonna do the series of wrapping the car. I think this first part is the front fenders and the doors. I did mess up on one part on the fender, and the door was a total nightmare. I fought it the whole way. I had way too much material on the top, but we got it on there. Some parts it kind of looks like it's almost dirty. I will need to redo the door the proper way without fighting the vinyl, but we got it on there. It was the first door we ever did. So let's go ahead and get off into today's video and show you guys how we wrap the car at home. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. That way you do not miss all the awesome stuff that we post for you there on a daily basis. But I mean, what do you think about this color, guys? It's absolutely insane, right? The black is gone. I don't miss it at all. I'm super happy to have chosen this color. This is a ivory color, and I mean, it looks really good on the car, guys. So this has been part one, the fenders and the doors. We are gonna do the rest of the car: hood, roofs, bumpers, quarter panels, all that good stuff. So be sure you are subscribed so you do not miss it. We also just made a bunch of Hemifam decals. I know people ask me all the time, hey, where can I get a decal? Where can I get things like that? So we made a bunch of decals for you guys. I will put a link in the video description where you can get those. So go pick you guys up some of these awesome Hemifam decals before they sell out again, and we have to cut some more. So I really hope everybody enjoyed today's video. This has been a really fun one, wrapping the fenders and doors, and we will do the rest of the car in, you know, a little series that we are gonna do. So be sure you are subscribed to the channel. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, check the video description for the Hemifam decals, all of our social media links. We have some really cool affiliate links for you to check out: Blender's Eyewear, Lux Auto Concepts, really cool products and promo codes for you to save some money on those products, guys. So you guys already know. With all that being said, we will see you in the next one. Peace.